Hello folks, YouTube, this is Zach coming to you by way of Zach's Fitness Studio. Guys, I want to take this opportunity to start to demonstrate some of the Cybex units that they have here at the gym. A lot of my clients have came to me asking me how to use various equipment, okay? And I'm going to give you some brief basics on how to utilize this equipment, okay? First of all, I'm going to start you off, guys. When you sit down at these machines, there is a little illustration on how the machine is being used, but what you want to pay mostly your attention to is what the machine is actually working, okay? And once you get that established, then you know exactly what to squeeze when it's time to squeeze, okay? Right now we're here at the Pec Deck Fly, and this Pec Deck unit here is primarily for the chest, okay? But in addition to working your chest, you're going to also work your shoulders and your arms to a certain extent. And I'm going to give you guys a little illustration, okay? There's a lot of different adjustments, but we won't worry about that right now. This is the Pec Deck Fly, okay? And if you notice, this is a Cybex unit. And you see it has a lot of range in this Cybex unit, and it allows you to mimic like freestyle training. Alright? What we're going to be doing is working the pec. Okay, this is called a pre-stretch position, okay? And all I'm doing is allowing my elbows to come back to get a pre-stretch in my chest. And then as I bring it forward, I squeeze my chest, guys. If you notice, I keep the elbow joint stationary. It's not moving during the execution of the exercise. As you can see, squeezing the chest. Okay? Squeezing the chest. Now, what I have gathered in my experience, if you're doing a Pec Deck Fly or any type of fly with dumbbells, try to let the elbows drop below shoulder height. This takes a lot of the stress off of your shoulders and put most of the emphasis on your chest muscles. Okay, but again, this is called the Pec Deck Fly, and pectoralis is another name for chest. Alright? And select the weight that's going to challenge you, okay? And if you're trying to exercise the muscle for endurance, you can go into the 12 to 15 range. If you're trying to exercise the muscle for strength, you want to select the weight that give you about 6 to 8 repetitions, with the last 2 or 3 repetitions really being challenging. Okay? Have any other further questions, be sure to comment on the channel, and we'll try to elaborate a little bit more for you, okay? Now, the next exercise that you can do on this Cybex Pec Deck is the rear delt flies. And all I'm doing is reversing my position, okay, in good posture. And what you're going to be doing, again, you're going to execute from the elbows, going back. And guys, this is the pre-stretch position, and this is the contracting position. And again, I am concentrating on my rear shoulders. Try to keep your head straight, because you don't want any movement in the vertebrae as you do these here. Alright? Slight bend in my elbows, but I'm not executing any movement in the elbows as I do the movement. Very important. Okay. Now guys, this here is the Pec Deck unit, okay? I'm going to take you through some other units. You guys bear with us. We're going to have a series of these here, trying to cover every machine that they have at this gym, okay? Again, thank you for tuning in to Zach's Fitness. Like my channel, comment if you like, and by all means subscribe. You have a great day.